channel 824 na free to air decoders, digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo ikoye nyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ikiwa korentera emerubiri emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu uomo Gusii. Asegati yaito ntobwata bantu bali no barema nabantabwa mbabwata magani yabo mbabwate byewa mbasomete naboigo mbatagitama baga asemeremo nakubwatisuwa asubugima bwokera lituko
inyura obolema igorobole inyura kerema nkerikose kwa inyura ekerema ngechiche
nakyoge kogera asumuruburyo bwobolema asubugima Jared Wilberforce niga gukoretera ensemo iliyotamanyiti igoro yabo
turabe tugwesemia kwemanyia na kwegokia ase amanganonsi pi ali arengete abantu baito abali no bolema ayekwarorire bagotenga
Kira rituko ria Jumanne Chinsa Isano nemo chia mogaso no moiroro rituko ria Jumapili Chinsa isato nenusu chia butuko oborema asubugima ime ya Ndizi TV. Ndizi TV obwansu bwomo Gusii. Ndizi TV obwansu bwomo Gusii. Negenteki ya konyori bintu byo gutumika aseduka na negenteki ya mono konyori duka buna Capital Lights and Electrical Limited ejeko nya chitaya chiwaya nebintu binde binge byo gutumika asistima nkoni yabale chiwall brackets chiwaya cha East Africa Cable CCTV full moon flow lights extension
Mano mwancho murigereri wegetaseni kya Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusingwe gena ritkorya ondigenderete ko bari toero keima na nene no genderete kwego kya soko bwatie mirobiri yonsi yegetaseni kya Ndizi TV ane na seritkorya lere kerode ritkorya Jumapili chitariki 12 cyo mutienyi o 11 omwaka no ibechi bibere meronke bere netato na manga genderete gokorekana imense ya Kenya ane na seritkorya lero turoche abarai au ni bagenderete wekira na se chinsemo au ase omosangre kano bwa masabo awasomo konyi bumurai wenseri Gashawa ni agendete kora abarai bande ba Kenya Kwanza asomo sangirekano bwa masabo imeye kaunti ya Embu ase kaunti ya Kisii ni go mubungo Kiharu akobwatrana no mubunke o South Mogrango Silvana Osero abagendete nomo gose nomo sangirekano bwa masabo aboigo omuchango bwe kanisa ase kanisa ya St Camilla Stabaka Catholic Church imeye bunge yo ya South Mogrango kaunti ya Kisii. Charagira Chinsa Isano na Ibere chiabono baso chinga kingo kwarigania semesa Amayia erionko manyemuna nara yaya na kwarigania senchera ere yobwenge. Asense moya Facebook kendra otonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital, asense moya YouTube otonyora wetera Ndizi TV News, na boko ya soma wetera se website ito www.ndizitv.net eriotogendere kumanya na watka korwa se chinsinyo chonsi. Joshua utanero koine kiachpi chaneri ogi chiago ikaire ase naboigo erietariane Everlyne Osero ngo kwarigani obe kubusangana nche goikomerio. Mwanchi umugeri wanango kwarigani ya chaka Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ere yoboikranu wasomokonyi bumurayi bwenseriga Gashawa agendreta ego kwanira egatie miroberio ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza ebetensemo yokoine kiabunangoretere maunchorero imeyense ya Kenya okwana chinga kekiranete ase omusangirikano bwa masabo boigo omusangirikano bwogo chengera obokoreri bwe myaka 53 ase kanisa ya ACK Malindi Diocese Imeye County ya Kilifi nigo Gashawa bete kago kwanira imono amangana yoko unerirwa guseme chando ya maremo na tabune serikali ya bekire miroberi saine yoko ine kiabuna amangana ya maremo tarigo chikoreta umuchando imeyense ya Kenya. Gashawa boigora bete kwanira igoro yobotumeki bwe binyuga byo gotindia anana saba saibeke oreke na tana ne miroberi obagendrete yoko rwania muryoga yo gotindia asaruro kuboria gochia se kanisa kubwatirana nabara ya soko ine kiabuna basae babere bagotorwa kurwase obotumeki obwo bwa maryoga yo gotindia.
Katika manifesto yetu ya Kenya Kwanza tulisema wale absentee landlords tutatafuta nauli tuwalipe, wale ambao hawana makao wapate. Rais tayari amesema tutaanza hapa Kilifi, hapa Kwale, Mombasa. Tuko na karibu 1 billion, another tutaweka ingine pole. Tuendelee mwaka huu, mwaka ujao. Tukienda kumaliza tamu hii ya kwanza tukuwe tumesettle squatters as many as practically possible katika pwani. Mambo ya madawa za kulevya, mihadarati, iko shida kabisa katika pwani, ni kweli. Na hii kazi nimepewa na rais, nimeanzia kule Rift Valley, nikaingia Mount Kenya, nikaingia Nairobi, sasa mimi nakuja hapa pwani. Hivi karibuni kabla hatujaenda Christmas, nitaweka kongamano la stakeholders wote, hao viongozi, magavana wetu wote, senators, members of parliament na wakuu wetu wa serikali, county commissioner na timu yake, polisi, DCI, tuanze kuangalia hii mihadarati imetuhangaisha hapa pwani, tutafanya nini. Na kwa hivyo ningetaka kumwambia mkuu na subra, tutaweka mkutano tuanze kufikiria tukishikiriana na nyinyi, na tunataka kuomba askofu na kanisa pia mtusaidie. Muongee na watoto wetu na pia muombe wale wanauza madawa ya kulevya.
Kukwana boigo aso musangirikano yonigo omwaziri mining Salim Muviri abeteka kugania ogo chamo kwa barai kubwatrana aso koreta amagendro na boigo gukinya uchumi mbense ya Kenya. Muviri anigabetega kubamoche bari bakwamereria serikali na tabuna nenchira yemo yogo tenenia emerobero ya serikali yokoreta amagendro nigaganirie abamenyi kurwa sorogongo rwa pwani gosire serikali aso kane kebura amagendra berega wekirana ase chinsemo ao chinga kechi nigabetega wakangambia muno gocha serikali aseri bagari yari amagendro anenase orogongo rwa pwani.
Sisi tuna imani na nyinyi sana, na wakati huu wananchi wa pwani, ijapo saa ingine watu wanaongea hii siasa kiolela, lakini kwa kweli jambo ambalo ni muhimu zaidi ni kushika hii serikali mkono ili tuweze kuhakikisha tunaendelea mbele kiuchumi. Tunaelewa pia wakati wa siasa wengine wanakuwa chama tofauti, wengine wanakuwa mrengo tofauti, lakini baada ya uchaguzi kila kiongozi ambaye amechaguliwa na ameteuliwa yuko na jukumu ya kutumikia wananchi. Na ndio maana wewe na rais mmetuambia tuhakikishe tunawaleta viongozi pamoja. Wale ambao wanaendelea kupinga ambao hawatosheki na serikali inafanya, wao watafanya kazi, watafaulu namna gani? Kwa hivyo mimi nawaomba sana wananchi wetu wa Pwani, serikali imetutunuku. Hapa kuna waziri Aisha, kuna speaker, kuna madirector, kuna wenye viti wa parastatals hapa Pwani, tena kwa wingi. Ukilinganisha Mheshimiwa Naibu Rais, ule uteuzi mmefanya Pwani hailingani na ile kura ambayo wapwani waliwapigia. Ni jambo la muhimu 2027. Sisi wapwani tujirekebishe. Tuhakikishe hawa ambao wanatufanyia tuwaunge mkono.
Omarugi bwa makonyi bwa murai wense Pastor Dorcas Gashawa ni gaburiri abantu kubeka bwasyo kwa chinyomo cyabo bunenchire yemo yoko enekia bunango tangabare chiamate cyabo kubwatikana nemechando yechingencho au yani ga yakwanete chinga kikiraneta sensemo ya imbakasi ase omuyega wemisa yoko bwatani wa kwenyangi kwabo bisabo burende 32 askiri atete buna enchire yone chikoba konya bange babo aso wetanga kurwa semechando au gatia emechando yobongo eyo mono ekwirira bange babo kwerusia obomoyo chinga kiechoni garwe tokoboria ochiasabo bisabonsi boborendi kwenekia bunango sanga bare chinga kibabwate amakong au osebirengerere bechingenjo au libagario kwimokia egetambukiro getabwenereti.
My sons and my daughters, when you agree to legalize the marriages that you have today, it would not only resolve the issue of legitimacy of your marriage, but it also secures your wife and your children upon an eventuality or unfortunate situation which happens to all of us, and especially in your line of duty. We wish to intentionally encourage strong and stable families. When love and harmony abound, we shall have fewer cases of mental illnesses, conditions, depression, murder, violence, and suicide among police families. I also encourage police families to seek counsel when they face difficult situations. Police chaplains and counselors and other senior officers are available to mentor you and to listen to you. And even if you don't go there, I am sure your parents and friends are waiting to hear and to be able to help you.
Egati yabara ikorwa se county ya Embu nigo basingerere goteba buna ekerenga kiabo buna bara ikorwa se county yo no koenekia obwa mateburobya abwokoreta amagendero ase abamenyi bechinse mecho okwana so musangrekana obwa masabo ase kanisa ya St Anthony Patua Catholic imeye county yo ya Embu nigo abara yabo babere bakomochia okongusana no kwabere okoenekiwa ase county au kugania kuruswa bisi kwa governor gati abo county ya Meru county ya Nyamira county chinde na wateba buna kione kiorokererio ekebe asibatere buna county ya Embu nigo bakubwatana na boigo kotwara obwa matobuya bwogosira emeroberio ya magendero ase county yo nigo mono babere ba wakangambya mono gochase serikali aso gotinana nabo asensemo ya magendero.
Embu county agenda yetu ni mambo ya unity, governor, senator, women rep na MP4 na MCA 30. Kwa sababu ya kipindi ya miaka 10 tumekuwa na vita, lakini kwa hii kipindi ya miaka 5 kwa sababu ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza tumesema Embu County tukiwa tumeongozwa na mama tutafanya kazi na tutatembea safari moja. Ya pili, Embu County hakuna vita, hataki usikia kama ile mambo iko Meru ama ile iko Kisii ama ile iko Kericho ama ile iko Kiambu. Sisi na mama tuko sawa.
Embu lazima isimame. Hakuna vita utasikia ikiwa imetoka hapa Embu County. Najua kunaweza kuwa na watu hapa ambao wangetaka kuweka vitina kidogo, lakini lazima tushikane kama viongozi wa Embu County. Yale ambayo inawafanyika huko Meru na kaunti zingine isije ikafanyika hapa. Tukue kitu kimoja.
Embu County tuko pamoja, tuko na unity. Mimi ni wa independent, watu wengine hapa Embu County ni wa UDA, wengine ni wa Azimio, lakini tunafanya kazi tukiwa kitu moja. Tulisema uchaguzi ulikwisha, sasa ni kufanya kazi, na tunakushukuru vile umetushikilia zote.
Togotegana nayo nigo kamati ye bunge tendereta mangana ye budget kora wana munyakirogo bwe kamati yo yibo igoro mu bunge bwe bunge ya Kiharu Ndindi Nyoro nigo bagenderete nebi karo byoko bwatoka emiroberio ye budget awase abana kamati bagenderete ko bwatoka amaganyabo nabo igo ebirengerere byabo okwana chinga kyecho Nyoro nigaberega kwenekia okobe kwensemo wechiringi chibilioni emyeyemo meronkene na Isano echo kirachi gukonya aso gwakana amakabesa imeyense ya Kenya asibo igabeirega gukwanira chi ebirengo by'ekibesa ao ekyabere kikubekwa ase ebitengo ao eryo gokonya ase ogusikia ense ya Kenya busyo gati abo ensemo yoburemi ensemo y'ekibesa buna obwagachi egati yayanda mange nigateru buna kibesa ekyo nigo kirachi gutumeka ase nchera ebweneterwe ikirania buna emerobere y'amagendero yaberege korokana imense ya Kenya nabo gokonya ense ya Kenya aso gukinia amangana uchumi.
This budget is clearly or largely realigning the issue of debt repayment, where we are putting in 145 billion Kenya shillings, largely because of the high interest rates, which we have seen, and also the variations around our currency exchange rate. We are also putting in enough money into fertilizer subsidy, over 8 billion shillings, and also post-harvest management, which we have also allocated significant amount of resources. We have also allocated significant resources to junior secondary schools. One, in terms of infrastructure, where we have allocated 3 billion shillings, actually 3.4 billion, project that will be undertaken through NGCDF as the new model, because the president has given express instructions that the work of constructing classes, CDF has been seen largely to be very efficient, and therefore will be collaborating with the Ministry of Education to deliver the extra classrooms for JSS. We have also allocated monies for higher education, largely in terms of loans through HELP and also scholarships. And I want to assure all parents that we have resourced our education sector well. So we also have had huge cuts around some areas like roads, because we anticipate to get some money from other sources, from our bilateral friends, to be able to cater for that huge bill around our roads. But largely speaking, this is budget that is realigning our priorities while sticking to the core of the better priorities. So we are just trying to accelerate the growth of our economy by putting money where they ought to be.
Chinga kiecho nigo mokonyi bo munyakerogo ase kamati yo abeire otaonense ya Kenya nigegendrete kwenekia emechando yechingenjo au anene embure nyinge ya El Nino na otaona abana kamati nigo bago chia kwenekia chibese cho chiko bachiko kwa se budget nigo chiabere chigo tumeka ase nchira ebwenerete erigokonya ense ya Kenya guskabosio.
As we are all aware, at the moment we are confronted by the issue of the heavy rains del Nino. So we must, as the budget committee, look at the budgets of all other sectors and see whether money has been allocated to take care of the challenges that would be arising out of El Nino. And I want to confirm that money has been put aside to take care of El Nino challenges. And also, what this committee is looking at and what all other committees have made sure is to ensure that we are making savings. We're looking at areas that are not critical, that can wait, that can be shelved, so that money is created to be able even to pay our debt. Because of the increase in the interest rates, we know that our debt is paid in dollars. So the budgets that we had made earlier now cannot be able to make those payments. So we must make readjustments. So basically it's about aligning the budgets to the reality, to the situation as it is now, so that we're able to move forward as a country.
Omairi obwa Amayia Chinsa Isano na Ibere asenchera ere yobwenge tumira nende chikoraga Chinsa ikomieri ngomanya ya monenda mange asenchera ere yobwenge asensemo ya Facebook endra otonyara wetra Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News na baigase website yaito na boko jasoma wetra www.ndizitv.net irotogendre gukumanya ase obwimekegima oriana kya chipicha nero gicha wikaire nigakoro kwa Joshua uta ere tariane Everlyne Osero twarubugire borobya na boigo umugasuro motoireru
Ndizi TV obwansu bw'omu Gusii.